Now we are going to move on to the singular and plural nouns. A small activity, and I have a mixture of the singular and the plural nouns, and we have a chart with one side singular and the other side plural. So we are going to pick out all the singular nouns from this chart and write it here, and we are going to place all the plural nouns on the other side of the chart. So let us read these nouns and then segregate into singular and plural. So we have foot, child, ox, woman, tooth, die, person, cacti, oxen, feet, man, people, woman, dice, teeth, cactus, men, goose, geese, children. So these are all the words, nouns that are there, and we have to segregate it into singular and plural. So we have the first word as foot. So we have the singular, that is foot. So I write the word foot, and we have to find the plural form of the word foot. So the plural form is feet. So the singular is foot and the plural is feet. So I have the word foot singular, feet plural. The next word, child. So child is a singular word. So the word child, and the plural for child is children. So we have the word children. So child is the singular and children is the plural form. The next word we have is ox. The singular is ox and the plural for ox is oxen. So I have the word oxen. So ox singular, oxen plural. The next word woman is singular. So I have the word woman. And the plural for woman is women. So I have the word women. The next word is tooth. So tooth is singular. And the plural for tooth is teeth. So I have the word teeth. The next word, die. Die is in the singular and the plural is dice. The next is person. So I have the singular person and the plural of person is people. The next is goose. The singular is goose. And the plural of goose is geese. Then we have singular man. And the plural is men. So for cactus, so cactus is in the singular form. And cacti is the plural form. So these words we have segregated into singular and plural. So foot singular, feet plural. Child singular, children plural. Ox singular, oxen plural. Woman singular, women plural. Tooth singular, teeth plural. Die singular, dice plural. Person singular, people plural. Goose singular, geese plural. Man singular, men plural. Cactus singular, cacti plural. So these are the singular and plural form of the words.